Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you the new Dell gaming laptop. I ordered it from Flipkart. There were some holes on the outer package, but the package was safe, and I opened the box and checked that the laptop was in good condition or not. Now I am going to open the package. You can see the Dell branding on the box. Here is a laptop picture. You will see the specifications. I'll just rotate the box. You can pause to see them. I'll tell you the price afterwards in the video. First just let's open the box. First, coming to this side, charging brick with a belt. And what else we get? I know the seal is broken because I just checked everything was in good condition. You can see this power cord, and now here is our laptop. Let's just keep it aside and see what really we get else in the box. Here is a user manual which no one reads, but it's important to read. And we get some safety and regulatory information. Now coming on to the laptop itself. The laptop feels really good in your hand, and it doesn't feel really heavy. And the upper part of this laptop is in matte finish, and if you see the Dell logo, it reflects the light. Talking about the ports we get, here you will see two USB ports, one headphone jack, one SD card adapter, and I don't know about this. You will see this in the text. On the next side, other side, you get an Ethernet port, a HDMI port, and another USB port, and this is the power port, charging port. Hey, this side you can see the premium Dell G3 branding. Here are some fans for cooling. Coming at the back side, you will again see a G3 logo, and here are some fans for ventilation. Here are some things, kind of blue things which help your laptop to push upwards so that the ventilation can be nice. Now when you will open the laptop, the screen will automatically turn on and the keyboard lights will get on. It has a mobile motherboard which detects when you open the laptop, and it will automatically turn on the screen. It also has a power button which is also a fingerprint sensor. If I will just tap on this, it will open. You can see the blue lights look awesome. It has different keys for the WASD, which are special for gaming. And the keyboard looks really awesome with a blue theme. Talking about the processor, it has an Intel i7 10th generation
with GTX 1650 4 GB.